Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fundamental skill in Canva, cutting out images. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. Let's start with cropping. But wait. Before you do that, ensure your image isn't set as a background. Right-click on it and select Detach Image from Background. Now, you can crop away by dragging the edges. However, keep in mind, this is limited to rectangular or square shapes. So, if you're looking for more intricate cuts, this might not be your best bet. Now, for the real deal, background removal. Unfortunately, this feature is exclusive to Canva Pro. But hey, I've got you covered. Check the link in the description for a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro. Once you're all set, click on your image, then hit Edit Image in the toolbar, and finally, select Background Remover. Voila! Your background magically disappears, leaving you with a beautifully cut out image. And there you have it, folks. Cutting out images in Canva made simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.